Sir,
hello.
This mic is for us, okay?
Oh,
Sir.
mommy, please, mic on for us.
Do I know how to do?
So you press it like this. No, we need one, Mama. Microphone. Where's the microphone for? Or you want to give it to here?
That's Manu.
Look, we don't get a microphone.
Bring the petition.
Because we are speaking to you directly,
Should we do it? You give us this room.
Where you are? To me.
I know. Sit down. Let it stay down. Otherwise, I'll start. You like have a microphone?
I'm waiting for my speech.
Let's just do it and go because I think it gets easier.
So we're going to create a space, but if you want to do it,
no, we'll just do it here because it's moving back to the
okay. Alright, so leaders, should we get them introduced?
and we will start. Guys, we are starting.
Okay, yes.
The Honorable Minority Leader, who is doubling as our guest this morning.
Where's my speech?
Bring your microphone.
This is the speech. This is the one I present. So hold it after reading it.
Remember for you.
Are we ready? We are rolling over. Honorable Minority Leader, who is doubling as our guest this morning, honorable members of Parliament, fellow Ghanaians, we are very happy to see you this morning. As you are aware, Parliament is a house for the people. And anytime that people have any preference, the place to come to is the Parliament of Ghana. The Right Honorable Speaker has been described variously as a father for all. Some of you are representatives of us, and so we appreciate what we do here. This morning, we heard that you'll be coming here. Mr. Speaker decided to put together the Chief Executive and his two deputies to receive you. But as is our culture, anytime we see people coming, we ask them if somebody's chasing them so that we can hide them. But if they are coming with joy, they will celebrate with them. So I have with me the Clerk to Parliament, Ebenezer Jetro, whom you all know, the Deputy Clerk in charge of Legislative Management,
Camilo Kwamang, the Deputy Clerk in charge of Information Management Services, Dr. Gloria Kumawood. We also have the Director for Media Engagement, Afutuo. We have one of our marshals,
who is our landlord, Wing Commander Fred Bauer, and I am Kate, and we are here at your service. So we'll ask you, when I'm Manzi, then we'll be able to see what we can do for you.
Leader, do you want to carry on?
Yeah, leadership.
Thank you very much. We are a coalition of political parties. We have Party of Ghana,
senior party member, former organizer of the party, Sompa, who is here. Our third deputy majority whip is also here, Jerry Shai, and many more people. But
NDP,
my coach, BNP, they haven't got the chance to come in.
no, there's
Okay, we have Mr. Jerry Apau, who is the General Secretary of LPG. The leader and presidential flag bearer for NDP is also here. Fripong Mohammed is also here. But our leader is leading us here to present this position to you, to ask for your support in the fight to maintain our democracy.
So before our leader comes in, now that we know what